This is my West Coast road trip. 5 days, 1 RV, and 1 goal. We're traveling the southern half of California, and we've got many destinations in mind. The first is check this out. Eric and Trusty perfected these drone clips.
Dude, what's good?
Good to see ya.
Sunflower seeds? Really?
Smile real quick for me, good?
Picked up Jordan in Vegas and got right back on the road.
I'm not praying for 6 people.
We're on our way to Zabriskie Point in Death Valley National Park, where we're gonna call it good night.
The reason we're on this trip is to create. For you guys, for other brands, and for ourselves. We're hiking into this massive canyon and we're ready to see what's on the other side.
That was not what I was expecting. I went on a field trip one time to climb time.
So we're about to head up this natural bridge out here in Death Valley. It's been one heck of a climb. I mean, it looks awesome. Eric's going for a pretty tight gap with the drone right now. But I think that we all know he's got it.
A little change of strategy. Watch out!
Dude.
You gotta fucking. Yes! Let's go!
I think I've had a shirt on for like 73% of this trip. We're out here at the Salt Flats out in Death Valley. Ripping the bike, man. It's I think everybody's very glad that we brought it on the trip, and I'm glad that I bought it to begin with. So does not disappoint. Eric is out here shredding some drone shots. He's doing some crazy fly-throughs under the bike, through the arms. So far, you've only seen 2 days of this trip, and it only gets better from here, so make sure you stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one, but for now, check out this preview.
We camped last night at 8,000 feet elevation. We got about a 3,500 foot elevation climb. It'll take us 3 miles to get there. Probably looking at a 20-degree temperature drop, but that's why we got the clothes for it.
I'm a little worried I'm the only one that didn't bring pants, but I think I'm gonna survive.